Friends, Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Today's topic is mental fitness. Students, Kishore, ASN, Sinu,
Sir.
okay, ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. With pleasure, sir.
Mental efficiency does not decline with age. If you are exercising your brain, see, if condition is there. If you are exercising your brain, mental condition will not decline. Mental exercising will keep your memory active till a ripe old age. As I told you, physical exercise maintains body tone. Physical exercise maintains body tone, strength and endurance. Mental exercise has positive conditioning effects for people of all ages. Okay? For mental fitness of the Indian students, I have given some techniques to facilitate their memorization. In memorization episode, I have given the techniques, the foods to eat for the brain. One technique is any large sentence you can turn into acronyms. Acronyms are like LASER, LASER, LASER. LASER means light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. That is LASER. This is one acronym. The other acronym I can say SCUBA. 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 SCUBA means self-contained underwater breathing apparatus.
Sir.
SCUBA.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir.
I used to use the acronyms like DINKS. 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 DINKS mean double income, no kids. DINKS mean double income,
No kids.
no kids.
Sir.
During my student days, I used to tell this. Rhymes and songs are other techniques. Rhymes and songs draw on your auditory memory and may be particularly useful for those who can learn tunes or poems easily. You already know the practice makes man perfect. So again I suggest you, practice, practice, practice. Drink lot of water. Drinking water before and during the class will help grease the wheel. Before examination also drink sufficient water. Water can take care of the dehydration and reduces stress and improves the concentration. While studying, sit cross crawl. Cross crawl means you have to sit like this. Cross crawl means sitting legs crossed. Okay? Modern approach to memory improvement is storytelling. Man is the only creature on the earth who does not use his 100% brain capacity. Dolphins have about the same neuronal capacity of the man, yet they live as intelligent, fun-loving and harmonious creatures with their environment. They use their complete brain. Dolphins use complete brain. Average human beings are losing over 1 lakh brain cells every day due to disuse, due to not using due to unuse.
So sad, sir.
So sad it is. That is why I suggest you for mental fitness, go for the brain exercises. Brain exercises. That means you have to do brain exercises more and more. You have to do exercise both for brain and body. What I told in the human structure,
Sir.
always not only Bournvita, take Brainvita. Okay. So now what you have to do? You have to do exercise both for the brain and the body. In the human structure, I already told you there are two parts. There are two parts, brain and body. B square. Okay. Both for brain and body, you need to do exercise. Then you want to grow old. You always look young.
Very young.
Yes. Super memory helps students and general public achieve distinctions. Amazing memory helps executives and professionals ride high in career. Memory is money. Memory is success.
They will become highly intellectuals also.
Yes. You will become highly intellectual also, as participant says here, ASN.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Memory changes the entire course of human lives. You can become a topper, you can become a leader, you can become a popular star, you can become successful professional speaker if you develop smart memory. Okay. If you do this, you can develop your brain, body and soul also. Then you get the appreciation of master soul also,
Divine.
which is called divine.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Before closing this lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hari Prasad. You become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.